What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy fwStick, aka Stick, coming at y'all with another banger video, man. Y'all see the title of the video. Notre Dame versus Miami. Cam Ward is no longer here. They got Carson Beck, if I'm not mistaken. Georgia. Played at Georgia last year. I don't know nobody on Notre Dame. I just know they don't play nobody. This might be their toughest competition all year. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification. I take that back. I mean, like, I don't know nobody on Notre Dame. They got that boy Love on there. And that's about it. But, yeah. Hey, y'all know what I'm about to say. If I'm watching the video, I'm about to react to it. Let's get into it. Yeah, hey, guys, I was here for Rolling Loud, guys.
But not on this play. It's another quick pop. That's a Malachi Fields.
Oh, he fumbled?
But not on this play. It's another quick pop. That's a Malachi Fields who lost the football, knocked out by Justin Scott.
Wait, is he?
Like that ball was starting
Yeah.
to come out. It is right there off the left hip. As a result of that big collision from Scott. Did he secure possession is something they'll also look at, but it does look like ball is just starting to slide out before his backside is down on the ground. Let's take a look right here. Oh,
It can't really tell.
where's the ball
Wait.
at that point?
Yeah, I can't really
Looks
tell.
like it's already moving.
I gave it to him.
On 2nd and 5, a little hesitation on the hand.
Beck.
On
Gotta pull that one
2nd and
out, man.
5, a little hesitation on the handoff, and Fletcher's knocked back by Kingston Viliamu Asa, the transfer from Texas, to be the kicker. And trouble with the snap. Picked up by Dylan Joyce, who's the snap.
Was it a fake?
The transfer from Texas to be the kicker. And trouble with the snap. Picked up by Dylan Joyce, who's the punter, and he's knocked out of bounds. Back, it was an okay job by Joyce trying to corral it, couldn't do it, calls the fire. And a massive moment for Notre Dame defensively.
Wow.
And get first downs. CJ.
Sit your ass down. You thought you was finna run that bit up there? Up right up the middle? No fucking sir. Sit that shit down, man. This is the University of Miami. Come on, man.
Talent, but clearly not on the same page with the
Yeah.
center
Hell
there.
no, y'all not.
And the
Come on,
unblocked
sit that shit
defender
down, bro.
Blay makes the play in the backfield. For a unit that led the country last year in
Show me something, Beck.
537
Good run.
game. Fletcher bouncing off would-be tacklers. Adon. For a unit that led the country last year in total offense, 537 a game. Fletcher bouncing off would-be tacklers. Adon Schuler, a rare missed tackle. They're 0 for 3 on 3rd down. They were best in the country last year, 56% plus. Back, here's Malachi Tony. First down inside the Notre Dame 40. And how about this route? Look at the quickness in and out of the break. Inside, back, outside.
I ain't gonna lie. Everybody getting cooked by this move. I don't give a fuck how good you are. Nigga. You not expecting that shit, bro. Especially if you run it, man. Yeah, GG, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Especially if you run it, man. You know you getting cooked doing that shit.
Covering CJ Daniels at the bottom of your screen. Under pressure from Viliamu Asa. And it is caught.
Beck, I was finna talk shit.
Look at the quickness in.
Yeah, I was definitely finna talk shit.
Covering CJ Daniels at the bottom of your screen. Under pressure from Viliamu Asa.
Good way to final though, Beck.
And it is caught. Malachi Tony. A touchdown.
Whoa, what the fuck, nigga? What? They just dropping up rakes?
And it is caught. Malachi Tony. A touchdown.
Oh yeah, this nigga's a hoodlum. He is a fucking hoodlum. Nigga dropping rakes and shit. What? And he go to the University of Miami? Fucking hoodlum.
By Tony, seeing his quarterback move off the spot. Look at how he flattens the
Wide
ball,
open.
comes back to the ball, secures the catch, and scores it. And how about Carson
Wow.
Beck? Just a great job moving in the pocket. Slide to your left, eyes downfield, throw a fadeaway jumper and drop it in the bucket to the talented true freshman. Tremendous poise there by Carson with the delivery. Finds some holes, running to the right, has a first down. So the 44 of Miami attacking just
Yeah,
three
fuck it.
guys
I
on
don't.
the
Notre
right
Dame
side
pissing me.
of that Miami team. There's not enough guys. There's three blockers on
I feel like a lot of
plus they
people
get
would
some
like
bowlers involved with Knapp rolling around. But Price got plenty of carries.
people that be playing college football realize they build hatred for certain teams, bro.
Completion and a first down. Micah Gilbert got stood up after he picked up the first down. It was Xavier. 2nd and 10. They are in field goal range for the new place kicker, Noah Burnett. Room outside for Price. Jadarian Price down the sideline. Banged across the boundary and out of bounds just short of the pylon.
That was a good run, though.
Carr forced back. He's back near the 30-yard line. Bought some time and throws a touchdown.
These are the type of niggas you be playing on Madden, though, bro. In college football, they should be running, then somehow the nigga get open. Like, this is really how niggas be playing, though. Like,
Micah Gilbert, his first touchdown and the first TD pass thrown by the redshirt freshman CJ Carr. This is just fantastic. Look at the defender's eyes. Thinking run, I don't know why. They kind of fall asleep, and as a result, Gilbert is right there, 3 or 4 yards deep in the end zone, right against the sideline. So just a poor job. Carson Beck will use the time at the line. Now he steps up and throws. Good catch by C.J. Daniels for a first down. He likes to send the running back out in the pass pattern, and he did there. And this was very nice. He likes to send the running back out in the pass pattern, and he did there. And this was very nicely done, too. Throw just a little bit inside, but it allows you so much freedom if your back is out. Steps up, attacks the line of scrimmage, and throws a well-timed pass. Just 36 yards, 12 for 19 total.
number 7 is looking crazy.
Under pressure, off his back foot, up for grabs.
What the fuck? Nigga, I was just glazing. I was just glazing.
C.J. Daniels, a tremendous one-handed catch.
I was just glazing.
But I guess you could say that was on the money. I mean, that is an unbelievable catch. Now, he does bobble it a little bit through the ground.
Grown man shit, man. He looking grown manish. Man, he caught that shit, bro. We ain't trying to hear none of that. Oh my god.
Get it into his body. Does it ever touch the ground from that angle?
Yep.
I don't see any ball meeting the grass.
It don't matter. He scored.
C.J. Daniels played all of last year at LSU after 3 at Liberty. He had 42 catches for the Tigers, but did not have a touchdown catch. Check out a one run to a different run. He has much more flexibility
Catch of the year, damn near.
here, and he's done it very well. He's on target for another first down. Elijah Lofton, the tight end. Carson Beck hit it
Had to
off
be tight end
immediately.
built like that.
Fletcher busts through a hole. First down inside the 40. They are in field goal range. Plenty of time. Malachi Tony. Out of bounds at the 9. He was hoping to pick up a block downfield from Marty Brown. Brown.
Push him in.
Goal line. They're trying to push him across.
Push him in. Get him in.
Fans think he has scored. The officials haven't
Get him in.
raised their arms yet.
Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Get these Notre Dame niggas up out of here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Respectfully, get them up out of here, bro.
So hard to
Don't play
tell
no
in the
comp.
scrum whether or not that ball does cross the plane. The fact that it was called a touchdown on the field is massive. Jeremiah Love has 4 carries. It's C.J. Carr carrying the ball effectively.
Why they ain't getting Jeremiah Love the ball? Any of y'all niggas be abusing him, giving him 99 speed in college football and shit. Run the ball.
Given a pocket, hand fighting.
Oh my God.
And what a catch! Given a pocket, hand fighting, and what a catch!
Shot.
Malachi Fields.
And what a catch by Fields, just
Shot.
extending those
Shot.
fingertips, and he's a guy that has to get going.
Is the running back on the left hip of
Fuck.
C.J. Carr. Love a lead blocker for C.J. Carr.
So ass down, dude.
He got blasted short of the goal line, but he got the first down. 2nd and goal at the 1. Aeneas Williams is the running back. He collides with Carr, and they still score a touchdown. Jordan Faison. Tammy Carr watches her son throw his 2nd touchdown pass.
Miami had really been selling out by pinching and crashing those edge defenders. So what do? They try to move the quarterback.
He got that off, so.
Quarterback moving to his right. They do so with a little loop pass.
I can't believe he got that off.
As far as the relationship between the running back and the quarterback, they collide, but it doesn't matter. Carr delivers a strike to make this thing very interesting in the 4th quarter.
Miami up by a touchdown with 13 and a half to go. Carson Beck was given a pocket, but he took too long, and they take him down. Boubacar Traore, who's been a big factor tonight for the Notre Dame defense. The first sack of the game for either team. The fake to Love. They throw it out wide. Batted around and intercepted. The fake to Love. They throw it out wide. Batted around and intercepted. Reuben Bain Jr., the defensive end, wound up with it. Intercepted. The fake to Love.
Great fucking defense on this screen. Y'all like, I feel like I should just break down screens. This is how you fuck that screen. You feel me? Great fucking defense, bro.
And a 15-yard return.
Great way to break that shit up, bro.
And that's exactly what happened. For Reuben Bain, gets tipped up in the air a couple times into the awaiting arms of the All-American defensive end. It's great hustle to get out there and try to make a play, as you can see it from the progressive pylon cam.
4 out of 10 on 3rd down. Last 2 possessions, 3 and outs for Miami after those impressive touchdown runs. They keep it on the ground, not wanting to risk a turnover in field goal range. Some of the crowd doesn't like that call. Kick it, says Mario Cristobal. Now they have an unsettled kicking situation. They brought in 2 transfers. Bert Auburn, for a long time, had a terrific career in Texas. He faltered last year. Carter Davis, who won the job in training camp, played 4 for 11 at FAU. First field goal try of the night was an errant snap. All the extra points have been fine. This is for 38 for Davis.
Lightweight.
And good. Something they still have not won in 21 years in the league, and they probably would have been in the CFB, almost certainly. Where the defense much better.
Oh, he's
tonight,
wide
as
the
we
fuck
say
open.
that. Wide open Malachi Fields, and swung out of bounds near the 35-yard line.
Sit his ass down.
And he takes a heavy hit.
Literally sit his ass down.
Mohamed Toure, and did well to hang on to the ball.
Massive collision by Toure. Just puts that right shoulder right into the
He felt
side
that. Ouch.
C.J. Carr right in the rib section. Man, that is big
Ouch.
collision.
Got
by
fucking
Toure.
down. That shit hurt me.
This is a 39-yarder. From the right hash mark, Tyler Buckner is the holder. Returning holder for the Irish. And that is right down the middle. They brought Drake Bowen up the middle. Beck was wrapped up, got it off.
Oh,
pushing
my.
and shoving. And no flag. Leonard Moore and Malachi Tony.
And pretty good rush this time around the right-hand side. And Carson Beck does a pretty good job of stepping up and avoiding the tackler. Kind of throws up a prayer, and Tony almost runs out.
Love is the running back. He goes out in the pass pattern. He was open. Carden throw it to him.
Yo, he is wide the fuck open. What is going on?
Defense and run down inside the 15-yard line. All of a sudden, it's shades of last year for the Miami defense. A total bust and a 64-yard gain.
And this is just a huge mistake from Notre. He's trying to kind of hit and collision Raritan, but he loses him. And this is the first real bust we've seen.
Carr, designed quarterback draw! Touchdown! Is that still Riley Leonard wearing the number 13? Is that still...
He just got... Nigga, he almost just broke your fucking rib cage, and you're talking about get him off of you? Calm down.
Riley Leonard wearing the number 13.
Well, running the football is a game of numbers. Well, you have 7 guys in formation for the Notre Dame Fighting Irish. There's only 5
Good run, though,
Hurricanes in there by Notre Dame.
Under 2.5 to
Beck.
go. Back deep. Ball.
Flag. Throw that motherfucker. All right.
There's a flag.
About to say.
Thrown on Christian Gregg. On Keelan Marion.
Third and 2.
Marty Brown.
He got it.
That is going to be close. The play stays alive, and he's going to get the first down with the extra push. But this is from 47 yards to put them back on top. They have not trailed tonight. What a kick!
47-yarder? That was a fucking steamer. Look at his, he probably on a yoke right now, though. Yeah, this nigga be killing me, bro. Michael Irvin, bro.
A Fort Lauderdale native spent his whole career right down the street, and you couldn't hit that one any better than he hit that one.
That thing might have been good from 65. He hit that with such adrenaline.
I ain't gonna lie, he probably could have hit that motherfucker 65. Good way to get him out of here. That's a fumble, low-key. Ain't it?
Akeem Messador was there for Miami. They're going to roll that an incomplete pass, and Carr is very fortunate that's the case.
And if you watch Bain, I mean, he gives a great right
Number
tackle,
4 on that
turns
shit.
him around. Messador gets there first, but both ends collide on Carr, who very fortunately is able to somehow get rid of it as you see him push it forward.
He did. He threw the ball before he was down on the ground, it seemed. Let's bring in Matt Austin. What do you think, Matt, as the officials are still talking about this?
Well, I think it's definitely a pass, but is there a receiver in the area? He's definitely in the pocket, so it doesn't matter where the ball lands. If there's nobody near it, that's grounding.
And they have just thrown the flag. Second and 17. He's going down again.
Miami sending that shit, though. Miami is really like blitzing, Brody.
Second and 17.
Ain't nothing he can do about that shit at all.
Akeem Messador. Ruben Bain there as well. These terrific defensive ends have taken over on the last couple of plays.
Damn, they couldn't even get a playoff.
They're going to give Notre Dame the play, or are
They try to cheat.
the official on the far side?
They try to cheat on that one. But y'all see the score of this game? 24-27, man. Miami took this dub. Good shit, Miami. Their defense is looking pretty decent. Pretty decent. At least getting to the quarterback. and stopping some of these runs. But if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. Make sure boy fwStick, aka Stick, I'm out. Love y'all. Gang.